friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making straw planes. To complete this craft, you will need a piece of cardstock paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, tape, and 3 straws. Either plastic straws or paper straws will work. Here's what you'll do. First, you will need to use your ruler to mark every inch along the long edge of the paper. Then use a ruler to make those marks into long straight lines. Cut along the lines to get long strips of paper. You will want the strips to be 1 inch by 6 inches, so you may need to trim the length. For the back shape, you will need a longer strip, so tape 2 of your strips together. Bend and fold this strip into the shape of a triangle. Tape the end in place. Repeat using just 1 strip of paper. Tape the end in place. You should now have 1 large triangle and 1 small triangle. Repeat these steps to form different shapes. 1 large square, 1 small square, 1 large circle, and 1 small circle. Now you need to assemble the planes. Tape 1 straw to the bottom side of one of the large shapes. Then on the other end of the straw, tape the matching small shape. Repeat with the other shapes. Ta-da! Here are the finished straw planes to experiment with flying. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!